I'm following all the artists because I've come today on a group painting session to Hester Combe Gardens, organised by Jackson's Art. Anyone can come, and yeah, it's really exciting to see how we all interpret the landscape a bit differently. Well, here we go. I just need you to know how massively intimidated I am by this whole experience. Everyone knows each other, and I don't, but I'm not going to let that put me off or scare me, because we've got amazing gardens. There we go. I think I've found a spot I like. I really love crumbling stone, little plants. I think this could be nice. So I've got some general warm stone colours here, and I think I just need to start. So I have a very sort of basic, kind of blobby, kind of ugly shape, but I'm happy with that for the moment, because honestly, it's just about grabbing your paints and getting started, really. And what is really nice is a nice lady called Angela, who I sort of know a little bit from workshops, and she's part of the Sidmouth Art Society, has just suddenly come and said hello, which is really nice, and I might go and paint with them a little bit later, because it can feel a bit intimidating when everybody knows each other and you sort of want to be part of a gang. Because of course my gang is you guys online watching. And if only we could all of us get together like this, that would be super cool. So I'd say I'm at a fairly blobby, ugly stage. But I've learnt that we don't get despondent at this stage, because it's now all sort of marked in as such. And now I can start to bring it alive with layers, glazes, details. I'm really looking forward to getting my scribbly calligraphy pen out and creating some nice little plants and flowers. So don't lose hope or heart. And also I'm now feeling warmed up and like I can maybe take on a bit of a landscape in a bit. After quite a lot of faffing around with layers and glazes, and oh, can you see a bit of shadow? The sun's coming out. I think it's time to do a little bit of scribbling. You do need to make sure your painting is completely dry, So 1 or 2 times I've gone over this bit, and it's clearly not 100% dry yet because it's just blending in a tiny bit. There are these daisies growing in the cracks, and that's where all this greenery is coming from. So I'm popping in some scribbly little stems, and either I'll try and borrow some white gouache off someone, or I'll just put in a little bit of white when I get home. This feels like the place to stop, so I'm going to stop. So there we go, that's my first go at a sketch at Hestercombe, and I don't mind saying that there were points where I thought this might be the end of my career as a watercolour teacher, because I really felt like it wasn't going anywhere. But as always, have faith, have patience, and I am going to go and have a wander around and actually try and get a little bit more involved in the fact that this is a group activity.